Namaskar and welcome to the session of tarot reading. Now, this is a reading for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. You can check it in your chart. And please remember, this is general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. जिनके साथ resonate होती है उन्हें ही रखना है. You can leave the rest. Now, Taurus, we have got in the recent past, we have got the Hanged Man, which was in the reverse. Then we have the Ace of Wands upright, and we have the Queen of Pentacles reverse. So, what it is telling me, Taurus, ki in the recent past, I think Leo also got this card. No, sorry, Aries got this card, this Hangman. You could be dealing with the Pisces. This is your card only, Taurus. So, Hangman, so this shows that you are feeling stuck. आप रिस्ट्रिक्टेड फील कर रहे थे, आप स्टक फील कर रहे थे, आपको लग रहा था कि आप कुछ एक्शन लेना चाहते हैं जो कि आप नहीं ले पा रहे थे, बट इट्स कम इन द रिवर्स. दैट मीन्स यू टुक सम एक्शन रिगार्डिंग अ सिचुएशन. सो वील क्लैरिफाई एंड सी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट कार्ड इज द Ace of Wands. So this is very beautiful card. Presently you are in you have lot of passion, enthusiasm for anything, whatever you are doing, your work, your relationship, your money and everything. You're very enthusiastic about everything in general about life, which is a very good card. And then you have the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. You could be dealing with the Taurus or Capricorn. And since it's in the reverse, so the person may be feeling financially, stifled. We'll clarify and see. Now, what you don't see coming is the Eight of Wands, which came and the reverse. Then you have got the King of Cups, we have got the Five of Swords in the reverse, and we have the King of Swords. So in the what you don't see coming is that you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You have to be very logical, and you could also be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Eight of Wands. So there is fast forward movement in what you don't see coming. There will be movement in the near future, although wheel has come in the in the reverse, so things might pose a little difficulty, but आपका काम आगे बढ़ेगा, आगे चलेगा. So now let's clarify these three cards, what they have to say. Hangman, Ace of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. So let's see what's the situation here. So you took some action and you came out of this Hanged Man position. This is for Taurus. Okay, Taurus, Hangman is clarified by the Emperor, by the Nine of Wands, and by Justice. So this Hangman is clarified by Justice. So you definitely came out of this situation. Justice prevailed, Libra energy. आपने कोई एक्शन लिया जिसके कारण because you are very tired fighting a situation again and again. You are trying to work a situation out. आप उस situation को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते थे मगर वो बढ़ नहीं रही थी. So you felt that it is better to separate. It is better to Emperor to take control of your life. It is better to do what you feel right. So you took the decision and you did whatever was right for you. You took some action and you tried to bring things into balance. Now the present moment you have the Ace of Wands upright. Now Ace of Wands is clarified by the Four of Swords, then the Five of Wands, and then the Seven of Cups. So जो भी situation आपकी present moment में है, I think you are enjoying it a lot, although there is a lot of conflict here also. Other people are also involved here. There's a lot of confusion, but you have made a choice because this came in the reverse, and you are now enjoying it. You are resting, rejuvenating, and you are enjoying the situation. You have a lot of passion. You are working on it. This could be a work situation. So despite all the opposition, जितना भी आपको problems pose हो रही हैं उसके बावजूद आप इस situation को enjoy कर रहे हैं. Very nice. And you have the Queen of Pentacles, which is clarified by the Hierophant, which is you, Taurus. Then you have the Four of Cups and the Ace of Swords. So I think you have given clarity to someone. You have given clarity to someone that you are, you are going to work on a situation the way it should be. According to rules and regulations, you are going to take charge of the situation. You are going to work on it. आपके पास options रहे हैं, and you've got the clarity that you are going to have a breakthrough. आपको जो जैसे करना है according to law, according to situation, according to custom, according to rules, you are definitely going to give shape to it. Very nice reading, Taurus, for you. Now let's see what's the advice. What's the advice for Taurus for the next 15 days? Okay, we have again got the five of wands, then we have got the knight of pentacles, and we have got the sun. So आपके लिए advice ये है Taurus, six of wands, knight of wands. So you have to plan properly. आपको proper planning की ज़रूरत है. If when there will be proper planning, तो execution को ठीक से अच्छे से हो पाएगा. You will be able to execute things. You will be able to make things work out, and then there will that will give you a lot of happiness. That's going to give you a lot of happiness, but that needs slow, steady, proper planning. फाइनेंसेस को भी प्लान करें. जो भी आपको करना है, अगर कुछ घर में रेनोवेशन है फॉर एग्जांपल, या ऑफिस में जो भी है, आपको उसकी प्रॉपर प्लानिंग करके ही एक्शन ले, and you are definitely you will be successful, and that will make you very very happy and others also very happy. It will be a great achievement for you Taurus if you do this. So this is what I have for you Taurus for the next 15 days, and see you next time. Bye bye.